Hi, today I'm excited to talk about the differences between your LAUSD account and your private account and answer the question, why do I keep getting this screen? So sometimes in our PDs, half the room will look around and not be able to access a file or a document or a survey because they are actually working within two different identities in Google. So this picture sums it up pretty well. I want to give credit to Beth Billette, who had students work on this activity and basically sums up why I might not be able to access something if it's sent to me, because it might have been sent to my LAUSD account. Well, I have access to forms and Drive and sites. If I'm not signed in to that account within the browser, so if the browser that I'm using, like for example, right now I'm using Chrome, if Chrome is not signed in to my LAUSD.net account, I won't be able to access that file. And let me show you how that works. So right now, I just got an email from a buddy I went to a training to, and in the email, I got access to some files. Great. I opened them up, and wouldn't you believe I can't access them? Well, it says right here it's because I'm signed in this browser. So I'm signed in Safari into my personal account. So I'm not going to ask my friend Roland to request access. I'm not going to ask him to send it to me again because that's like him sending me another invitation on his behalf when I, on my own, can just switch accounts, type in the name of the account that it was shared to, and get access to what I need. So it's kind of on the person who requested the information or who received the invitation to know this fact. That's why my students are sometimes logging in to the wrong account that they've written a paper or tried to share, and it's not letting them do what they need to do. And it all comes down to their identity, whether or not they're using their MyMail account or their personal account. So, oh, look, now I can see everything. This is great because I'm logged in to my work account, LAUSD.net. So the goal of the video was to help you understand that there are two different identities you have, maybe 3 or 4, depending on how many Gmail accounts that you own. And with each account, if something's shared, it's shared to that individual account. So we just really want to make sure that you have access to this image and can see what's positive or challenging about the 2 accounts. And then also just to do a quick check, sometimes when I get stuck, what I'll do is I'll go to the waffle. So let's say, for example, I'm using a Drive, right? And then I want to go somewhere else. So this is within my Drive, and I'm signed into my LAUSD account. I can actually click on the waffle, the Google Apps, and then find more features. So that's another fun part. You can also just always help someone next to you if you're like, I don't know how to get into my survey that I need to fill out by the end of the day. Well, just check, go to the right, check, are they signed in there or not? And then sign them out, maybe add the account, and start over. So good luck getting all your documents, everything you need to know. I think the big goal is that you just Google it. If you have a question, Google it.